dito, may tatabin ko yan.
Let's go there inside.
May pinagtapos ka lang sa tablet. Sige. Mga kalat ninyo yung mga lapis-lapis, pinag-iwan na ninyo ha.
Paano ba kung ano ng candy cane? Where do we get the candy cane? I can see. I don't know.
Yan ang ari ko.
Sino
Oh my
to?
God, I see a candy cane. Oh my God, I get the candy cane. Olive, may candy cane ako. Where are you?
Bro, we need to.
Girl, I will give it to you.
Why I am going to eat that one. I am in like the Christmas tree.
Where are you, girl?
In a Christmas tree, bro.
Bro, come here.
It's too hard to
Ay,
see.
tara, Gigi, Bini, ano na? Ako si Bini, ikaw.
Ako si Billy Aya. Ako si
Ay, Bini, Colette. Ha?
Where
Sino
are
si
you,
Bini?
girl?
Maloy?
Ha?
Adeline?
Si Olive. Oh my God. Olive, bilis ayaw mo ga? Where are you, bro? Bro, here.
Ganto ginagawa ko dati.
You're at the
sa magka.
table again.
Ganto ginagawa ko dati sa magka. Oo, may pahinga na. Ikaw.
Ako din. Oh my God.
Ganto kasi di ko.
Oh my God, I ate the candy cane. Oh no, where's my candy cane? Wait, ano? Let's reset. Okay. Let's reset kasi no, that we're almost dying.
Oh, Manoy
Kasi
and Colette. Ano ba yung ginagawa nyo?
Para playing. Naglalaro kami ng ano, parang maging
English.
English girl.
College. That's so college.
Wow. What is? Oh my God,
It's so
malapit na.
college.
Olive o Twizzler. Ala, pinag-agawa na natin eh. Okay, here.
Hey!
It's yours, girl. Twizzler, me have it. Girlie, I wanna find some popcorn. What is the popcorn?
That's so girl is
Oh my
busy.
God. Oh wow.
That's so girl is busy.
I can climb though. Is there no? Ow! Mom. Mama, help me. Tay.
Oh
Oh, I found a cookie. I found an.
Olivia, give
What's
me a paper.
Oliver, here the cookie. You want some cookie?
Olivia,
Can-
give me a paper.
Why? No, that was my cookie.
Secret.
Bro, can we like play first this one? Me looking for a
What is
game.
that? What is that? Olivia, what is that?
It's like a burrito thing. Let's play Crazy Chips.
Wait.
Yeah, you. No.
Small. I
No, not that two one. What? This one.
No.
Yes.
I want a Twilight
What?
flavor.
This one, bro.
No, I don't like that.
Bro, it's just a try. We haven't tried this one yet.
But I don't like that though.
I'm
going to school. I'm college.
What?
Okay, then go. I'm going to school.
Okay.
You and you absent?
Yeah. Wait, I leave the bus yet because
Hey.
no, 10 seconds left because I want a video. Bro, did you came? Yeah.
Girl, stop.
Where are you at? Okay, you're here.
Tomato.
Tomato, come on.
Tomato sauce.
Hey yo, and I'm carrot sauce.
Wow, I wanna climb there.
Knock knock, who's there? Is there an ugly girl in there?
No, there's a picnic.
No, there ain't a picnic, bro.
Girl, I'm up. Oh
There's
my
a
god, I know how.
Hey, yo, that's your color, bro. That's your color. The door is your color.
Yeah.
Knock knock, who's there? Is it an parent or an kid?
Healthy 100%.
Mama, gusto ko pa ng shake. Mama Chucky po. Hello, Lily. Hello, Lily. Hello, Lily. I want Chucky.
Oh, I want you.
Bibili ako yun.
Me too.
What
I love Chucky.
girl?
Oh, it's a Messi. It's a Messi.
Messi!
Oh my God, I'm here.
Oh my God, Lily. Get me inside! Get me
I
inside.
wanna get inside. I'll just break.
I'm cold!
I'll break your window.
Yay! Woohoo! I'm just going...
That's so nice.
Wow.
True.
I'm just going to hawak the kitty.
Hawak. Hawak.
I'm just going to touch the kitty.
What? That is the take.
Ow, kitty. Okay, here. Oh,
That's so big.
I'm...
Oh my God, I want it. That's so big.
Look, when the monster is coming, we can just go here, bro.
Where?
We can go here at the this
Wait.
one.
What a name? What a name your play?
No, you just climb here.
Wait lang. Ano pangalan ng inyo nilalaro?
Huh? Daycare.
Daycare. We like this.
1,
Because we look
Two.
like kinder. Ano? Ulit?
3, 4, 5,
Daycare.
6,
Daycare?
7.
O daycare.
Daycare. Daycare. You guys seem hungry. Yeah, we are hungry. Get some food.
I'll just go to the blue ones.
Let's go get some food.
What do we like to eat?
I'm going to eat
Next is
pizza.
pizza.
I mean burger.
Pizza.
Mine burger. Alin?
Anong oras na? What's the time? What the time?
5:23.
5:23?
5:23 din. Okay.
Pizza box!
Oh man.
I'ma just play first. Cause Lily was gonna be ordered the pizza. And which one?
Hi girl, you're like a green girl. I think.
Nawapain nandun sa bangko.
Ego.
Na, pasaway na ma. Wag upuan ng lamesa.
Oh, she switched. She don't
Jump.
want I think.
Jumpy jump.
Oh
Oh my God, who's that?
the pizza delivery man. Hey, come on. Oh, that's you. Tomato.
5:30 tayo maglalaro ng Grow Garden.
Okay.
Oh my
Enjoy. Okay. Wait, do I have it? Okay, yeah.
Oh my God, I have it. I just ate one.
We just eat one bite because I
Bye,
want,
girl.
because
I'm
I
go to our room.
yeah, same.
I'm up here.
I'm up down here. I'm just stay here. Cause why not? Duh.
Wait.
Oh my God! There's a meow meow meow.
Oh my God, the alarm.
It said go to sleep. Okay. I'm already here.
Oh, ito hanggang 5:30 lang kayo.
Saan?
Dito? Grow Garden.
No, it was. You said no. You want to play.
No, I want 5:30 only.
Yeah. Let's go. We can play, bro. Wait! dito. She won't find us here. Oh! Wala naman siya dito. Hindi tayo nababawas ng... Oh my God! Mama! Mama! Run, girl, run! I'm in the slide! Oh! Next, Olivia! Mama! I'm going to be here. No, wait! Mama, oh my God! Mama! I'm coming back to the room. Oh my God! I'm at my room. Oh my God! I'm scared here. Girl, Lily, come back here. Para mamatay yung ano, in-alarm ko. Ay, mali. Okay lang yun. Where are you, Olive? Come up. Okay. Ay, malak na. Kaya mo. Ay, wag na. Ako. Ikaw. Yay! Perfect. Wait, are you still alive? Yeah? Girl, are you still alive? I'm at the bed. I don't care. Felicia, Sophia. I'm in my bed. I'm staying. I'm staying here.
Okay lang kahit tanong mo ka.
I'm just staying here. Ate,
Hindi ako marunong sa katangan. Alam niyo kung bakit ko nagawa? Tuturuan ko kayo. Ganito
madali.
Wag na. Uy, Olive, tara. Bebed na tayo sa...
I'm here.
I'm up. Eat one. Kasi mababawasan yung buhay ko, Olive.
Ako din. Why are we speaking Tagalog now?
No, sorry. Yeah! That's so quiet. You're not playing Roblox. But you're not playing Roblox.
8 seconds.
Or just only the bed.
That's
just
8 seconds.
No, I said 1 second.
0 seconds.
Okay. Oh my God, I'm falling asleep.
Mabasa mo yung letter namin? Aalis.
Ano? Mamaya kang gabi?
Oo, mamaya kami.
Ano? Nabasa mo yung letter namin ni Olive?
Oo.
Sabigyan mo na yung mga klase mo letter. Bracelet?
We can't sleep anymore.
Ano? Okay lang yan. At least may letter pang akong binigay sa'yo.
Ho! Bro, come in here!
Where are you, girl? May basa na.
Oh, that's me! That's me! That's me! Let's see here. I don't think the monster will come here.
I'm scared again.
Yeah. Because we're kids.
Oh my God, I'm nag-i-English.
Where did I go?
Anong Gini ka? Ako si Bini.
Why did I go to this bed? Hello, good morning,
Ay, ito
mother.
daw si Bini
Good
Joanna.
morning, lady.
Uy, andito daw. Uy, Hey! That's so Bini Joanna.
Quiet! I am Beanie Malay.
I'm
Colette. I bet squad muna kami ngayon, guys.
Sino?
Kami, ni Olive.
Ako si Bini Aya. Ay, si Bini ano?
Bini Colette ako. Come, let's go to our seats. Hi, girl. Yeah! Ako, ginagawa ko to. Ginagawa ko to. Last gabi. Girlie, that was scared. Yo! Nasalatin ko si Apple.
Ulit nagsalita ako.
Patigan to.
Ulit, magpapancakes ulit tayo. Yeah! Hindi si Adrina yung joke niya.
But easy. Easy peasy.
Paper.
Benta.
Paper.
Hey, why do I don't have pizza?
Pizza?
No, I don't have pizza. Cause you eat it already. Wow. Hindi ako talaga yon.
deadly.
Ano?
It's so crazy. You're
That's
so
so
crazy,
nice.
girl. Where's your paper? Olivia, where's your paper?
No, girl,
Yan, yan.
that's for Akon. Akon give some for Yona because she's leaving now. Playing time! Playtime! Uy, ako! Because you guessed it in real life. Yep, have fun, everyone. Oh, I'm going outside. Outside, me outside. Let's play with this ball. Where are you at? Here. Okay, I'm here. I'm here, tomato. Wait. Oh my god, there's a log. Wait, I can't get it. I'm gonna just slide here. Ow! Hey, yo, why did we do boom by there? I'm gonna just swing here. Oh my god. What happened to the swing? Ah! I'm trying to, no! I'm there. I just wanna try. Yeah. Let's go play on the sands. Where? Here. Yay, I love it. And then let's play the soccer ball. Oh! Girl, stop. I don't know.
Hoy,
No.
pilitin niyo dito kung sino kaya. Ay, wait lang.
May.
Mia, Romy. Mia. Romy ka ba dyan? Penas kami ni...
Estando.
Mamayang gabi? Pero babalik kayo. Saan ka kayo? Ano kaya? Pero babalik kayo dito sa bakasyon?
Oo.
Babalik kasi dito ulit si Chloe.
Oo nga. Chloe, coming here. Come here. Oh.
Oh, that's so nice.
Come here.
Why you not speaking me?
Whoa, girl.
What?
Yay, that's fun.
Which one? You are not speaking me, yeah.
Nope. We're playing, girl. You scared me so bad, girl. Oh my God!
Ang tricks na yung pala tayo, kaming dalawa mag-twins kami.
Ako mag-isa lang.
Dapat lang nakatapos.
No, we need the fire extinguisher. Extinguisher. Oh my God, fire!
My twins. Ruby and Zoe. What are you doing?
Oh, that's me. Come on! The sopa! Oh my God, the sopa! No, the sopa is almost dead. Oh my God.
Stop noisy.
Here, girl. Ouch! We die. No. Not this play again. Bro, we can try again. No, I don't like that.
Uy, anong oras na?
Oh my God, I love Venus. Okay. 5:35. Grow garden, girl.
Grow garden.
Bro, we're just going to play.
Grow garden nyo.
Let's play still a brain it, but in private. Okay. Who's private? My private. But in my friend's private.
Oh.
Esta no.
Hindi naiyak ako dun sa sinabi mo na letter.
Akin.
Bakit naiyak ako?
Oh.
Ano sabi ka? Si mama ng bus.
Esta noche.
Ano yung ginising ka o nagising ka?
Ano, bawal ako dyan sa private server na yan. Bakit ga? Ay, bawal nga. Hindi naman yan yung server Bakit? Mag-join na lang ako sa ano ko. Sa kaklase kong server. Ako din. Join ako sa'yo. Bawal mag-join. Dito. Wag dyan! Madami dyan. Dito. Sa'yo mo. Dyan. Ari, uli po.
Sino kayang iiwan?
Yan, ang dami.
Iiwan nyo na nga.
Ayan nga.
Sikupan ka.
Bad word. Bawal mag-join. Naka-join niya kami ni... Ben, nasan ka? Ayun o. Oh my god, event! Oh my god! Oh my god, someone join me. Oh my god, let's still on his base, girl. Slay! Oh my god, there's someone's base. How do I don't have... Ramon? That's my friend! In school. Is that? That's my... No, it's Ramon. Talaga.
Si Ramon yun dyan. Di ko.
Bro, can you...
But he's not my friend though.
Can you leave? Can you leave first? I cannot join you.
Where's your shake?
Girl, wait. Okay.
Where's your shake?
I don't know! Did you join another... Why don't? Maybe let's join...
Sa Flinkings and people in private server.
I don't have private.
I have one.
I don't think you do.
Yeah.
You're
I'm gonna show you.
lying.
Okay, I'm gonna show you.
Cause I'm gonna show you.
Okay, I'll show you it. If you don't believe me, If you don't believe me, this is my private server,
Bro, how did you make that?
It's free, girl.
What? Hey, yo. Wait, where are you? Yo.
Join me.
Yeah. Wait. Oh, I'm trying to find you.
You'll stop finding him.
It's
there.
right there. Say, as soon as
Yay! No
It's-
people.
Yeah, nobody can disturb us.
Yeah, of course.
Let's go to like the house thing like this. This house.
Where are you, girl?
This house.
Oh, okay. You go there now.
Yeah, I'm going to be the owner, because why not?
What house?
This red one. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna type something.
What is it?
Hello.
Hello, girl.
I said red.
Girl, request. Corner. Yeah, of course.
I'm going to do something with this spot, so don't disturb me here.
So, wala nang makakagulo sa atin. Di ka alam.
Yeah.
I'll make my own bed. You make your own bed, okay? Ano na ang bed?
I'm going to
Okay.
make mine. Of
Mine.
course.
This is mine. Only
Of
no
course,
one.
why should I?
Oh, Where's the stair? Where did the stairs go?
Oh my god.
Olive, where did the stairs go?
I don't know.
But that's supposed to have stairs.
There's no stairs.
Why?
Because they not added yet.
Wow.
It's not. It's
And
not.
then who made this game?
Bro, don't you hear? Let's just drink soda first.
Okay, then drink soda.
Let's drink soda. Melon soda pop. Olive. What?
And now add some. Wow, I have soda.
Mama. I'm done. Yara. May soda pop.
Saan kayo, te?
Sana basketball kasi yung tayo gusto natin.
Yeah. Muna na kayo.
Susunod kami. Namat to. Should we play outside? Oh.
No. Don't play outside.
No, I mean in the real life.
Why are you floating, girl?
I'm standing in you.
Go jump, girl.
I don't want to.
Jump, girl! I'm tired!
Stop,
Girl!
Look at this. Look at this airplane. I want something.
Come on, girl. Stop moving. Hey, where is she? Eh? Hello, ulit! Eh?
Ano, wag nga sabi. Bro, why are you so angry?
Because of you.
No, it ain't my problem. Bro, so dramatic na.
Where are you, girl? Why? Stop, I said! I'm getting you banned on my private server.
No!
I'll do it. Give me a private server.
Why should I?
No. But I'm the owner.
But I don't care. IDC. Can throw in your house.
And who cares?
About you.
You.
Bro, that's not actually how to roast. Bro, I thought we were a squad, but now we're fighting for no reason.
Okay, just get your name there.
Oh,
Bro, why did you...
what?
Get your name, girl.
Why member only?
Okay, just wait. I'm fixing.
Let's go.
Hello, stop, Olive. That's our hagdan. That's our stairs.
You mean ladder?
Yeah,
Homemade stairs.
it's our ladder.
That's our made stairs. Bro, are you serious?
Okay, no done.
Bro, it's so hard. No! I'm about to fall by this. Oh, don't do that. There. Ah!
Why did you put two of them?
Because it can... Then how can... But how can you reach that if it's that...
Eh? Hello? Hello? Oh my god, I throw it.
away?
No one can join my private server.
Yeah, only me and you.
Yeah, of course.
But don't you dare, the others, don't you dare join.
Oh my god, I fall. Oh my god. Unfix it, girl. Oh my god. Okay, then you fix it. Oh my god.
Oh God, bro, just look at your back first.
Wow. Fix it then. Bye-bye.
Why did I throw it? I did not meant to throw it. Guys, you saw the circle thing. I did not throw that.
No one could join my private server. I do not told them. I said no one could join my private server.
Nobody joined our private server. If you join,
I'll ban them.
because even though
Oh my
our
God,
father, even
I
though
don't remember.
our father doesn't even know Roblox, and he's not really the Our dad is not the owner of Roblox. I swear. I'm not an iPad kid. Like, kids always say that. We're not kids.
Oh my god, I buy the fan.
Wait, I'm going to do it too. I'm going to get some, like, one of
I have the fan.
Wow!
I buy the fan,
Congratulations!
Where are you going, girl? Where are you going? I said, girl.
Here, I'm just trying to...
Oh my god, my fan.
Characteristics.
Where is your
Characteristics.
no your bed?
I'm still not making one. Can you help me with the stairs, bro?
Nope. It is so hard. No, I didn't meant to throw my fan.
No, I keep...
I kept throwing my fan, girl.
Wait, can I be the owner first?
No?
But... because I want to delete everything first.
Why? May fan, no?
Bro, just delete first everything. Why you live? Hindi mo na ako naikon. Ay, naglalaro.
Eddie, bye-bye.
Ano?
Tapos join ulit.
Ako'y...
Nag-live, tapos join ulit. Ulit.
Tama yun, nagagawin ko dito sa akin. Eh, magpapastock ako dito.
Nag-live, tapos mag-join ulit.
Oo?
Ano?
Ano ba yun?
Wow.
Ang galing. Lumasot ka doon.
Ayoko, gusto ako. Gali, pag lumusot ka din, mas tastak ka.
Oo.
Wait lang,
Dati nga, lumusot nga ako dyan. Hindi nga ako makaalis.
Aantayin mo munang magbukas, di ka agad. Wow, lahat na eh. Ano, fly na. Fly away from me.
At lento mo. Tawa nandito ako.
Ginagawa mo dyan?
Gusto ko
Wow.
man ng outfit. Shake ang tagay.
Nasaan yung ano ko? Yung carpet ko.
Flying carpet.
Nasaan na yun?
I can fly. Ano? Yun ang sasabihin ko din yun na. Ano? Sabay-sabay tayo. 1, 2, 3, go. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly.
I believe I'm flying. Iba talaga ng ginagawa namin ni Olive.
I believe I can fly.
Girl, nandito na ako.
Bro, I'm going to this house, bro.
Girl, this is the
house. What?
what?
Hey, so
Oh my god, malapit na siyang maalis. Only 32 seconds na lang. Oh my god, she's out now.
fly to this like Chinese house.
Oh, I'm going now.
I see you. I see you. Whee! Hello, how are you? We are under the water.
No, I am not down. Why did you make me member only?
No, I did not. You are co-owner.
Oh. Did I be mistakenly?
Huh? Hey,
I will make our bed.
that's our like bathroom.
Oh boy. Is the
The
door?
bed is literally on the top, bro. Don't you? It's supposed to be at the top, bro. Hey, move.
Ito yung ano, yung puno sa ng paa.
You mean like? No, it's
Yeah.
supposed to be small.
But we don't have smaller in here. This just big. Oh my god. I'll put I'll put some
Skibidi
toys
toilet.
here.
Oh no, in 10 minutes.
What? Of what?
Screen time. Bye.
Why?
10 minutes, I mean.
10 minutes only?
Yes.
Left? Oh no. You have to finish this house before you run up. Mike, here. Oh my god, where's my mic though?
La 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 la. Pangpas ko yun eh. Hey yo, why do I have this kitchen thing?
Then, I'ma decorate the room now. Oh my god.
Stop!
What is this? Stop, I said. Oh my god. But I'm new of TikTok, guys. Right?
Yeah. She does have a TikTok account.
Because
Her own.
I'm banned.
Yeah, she is.
I get banned.
For what? They don't know the reason. Kevin
But we don't know the reason, guys.
Bro!
Why
Hey
did
yo!
TikTok
Why did
Taco-
my dog
Why
put
did
my
TikTok Taco
egg?
ban me?
Egg.
Guys, right?
Egg.
Right, girl?
I don't think TikTok Taco banned you.
Yeah, he is.
This is the cover thingy, but it also have a shower. To shower for us? No.
This is my own bed. And I can eat my snacks here on my bed.
La 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 la. Oh my
I
god.
can sing better than you, girl, with the mic. Yes. Where's my mic? I'll get my mic.
I'll say.
Next ulit.
I'm going to find a mic.
Huwag yan, mapangit. Oh my god, I'm only 5% girl. I have to finish it before my times runs out. Girl, you will play this game only.
La 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 la. Hey, where do you find the mic?
Huh?
Where do you find the mic?
The mic?
Yeah, I'm trying to find it. Wait. Oh, right there, I found it. I found it. I found it. It's right here. It's right there. Over there. That makes sense.
I stopped my radio. Stop, girl. Mamaya pa kasi ako.
Hey, sorry.
Tapos may OLED. Para pagka nagpatagtag ako, diga.
Yeah.
Dito tayo sa, ano,
I sing better. Pamamas
No.
gagha.
I will sing better than our best.
There's too much for our singing battle. Wait.
I'ma sit here.
Hey, why is there another mic here?
Oh, it's not mine.
Ew! I don't wanna. Hey, this makes.
Where was my mic?
This mine's mine.
Oh, girl. Stop rolling.
I ain't, bro.
Girl, stop singing it.
I'm not sick, bro.
Please not sing. Ano, stop. well.
I'm just going to design my own bed.
Ow, girl!
Bro!
I didn't design my own bed yet. I'm not done yet with the pan. Oops, my pan fell. Oh my gosh. Are you a Girl Scout girl?
I am not I'm not literally schooling in Japanese. I'm still on St. Bridget, bro. Guys, we actually live in the Philippines, not in USA.
Oh my god. Woohoo! That was my pan, girl! Stop. You're getting my pan. Okay.
Super ugly.
Woohoo! I have an aircon.
That ain't an aircon, brother.
But I'm asleep now.
Oh, I'm still, brother, it's still morning.
Because I'm tired, girl. Stop!
Haven't you decorated kitchen yet?
Yeah, I'm not yet done.
Come on.
Are you done from the bathroom?
Not yet. I'm still
Bro, what happened to our bathroom?
Why?
I know this.
Hey, that's not. Yo, is that yellow pea?
It's a pee, girl.
Ew.
It's your pee.
Hey, yo! Ew. Bro, I better shower.
Oh my god, I'll decorate the kitchen now. Oops, I'm not decorating here yet.
I think
I
about.
forgot something.
Hey,
What is this, girl? Oh my god, I need this. Oh, stop, girl. Oh my god. Stop, girl. I'm getting this inside. Girl, what is that? Stop! I want to see you. I'll report you to the owner of this game.
Nah, I don't think the owner
I
knows
will
me.
report you.
Bro, the game owner doesn't even know me. I swear.
This is my own private server. I'll ban you to my private server, girl.
Nuh-uh.
You're so annoying,
Nuh-uh.
girl.
Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh.
You're
Bro,
so
we can just take a
annoying.
bath.
Oh my god.
No, you're much annoying.
I'm a dino.
You're annoying just like your personality.
Stop moving, girl.
Guys, you know what? Tomato's not good at roasting. She's not good at roasting, I swear. She always roasts me for no reason. That's true. Oh.
I'll make that kitchen. This is our dining chair.
I don't think that's a giant dining. No, not that.
Oh my god, stop! Stop, you're so annoying. I'm a ban
Just
you.
like your personality.
I'm a ban you on my private server.
Nah, I don't see. I'm leaving.
Diba? May problem.
No problem. I'm just going to join my bro.
Oh into my own private server on Draw a Garden.
Saan?
Hey, it's sunny, very much.
What do you mean? I already did that. Guys, it was just 1 minute. Mama, gusto ko pa ng chocolate.
Uy, naku, mamaya. Wala lang chicken. Mamaya. Mamaya lang chicken.
I'm a playgirl.